welcome to ladyttv channel. I want to welcome all my new and old subscribers to my channel. Thank you all for your love and support. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos. God bless you all. God bless you all for everything. So today's video is about this. This is azricerca 3D whitening therapy. Pulizia Profonda con Carbone. So this toothpaste, this is a toothpaste. This is made with carbone, that is with charcoal. If I'm right, with charcoal. So this I've been using it since 4 months now. Yes, you can see it. See it. So guys, this is azricerca 3D white, and this is the most wanted toothpaste in the market, guys. Yes, everybody's getting this. I saw so many people using it, so I started using it, and it really works. For my teeth, I have almost yellow teeth, but now it is getting more whiter. You see it? This is the color. It's like white and dark gray. So I don't have much to say. I only say gonna get it and try it and see this work. I started seeing the results after a month, and I love it. I went to the supermarket. I bought it at Esselunga. I don't know, I searched everywhere, other supermarkets I did not see, but I saw this in Esselunga, so I bought many. And questa è dentifricio per bianchire i tuoi denti. Se avete denti un po' gialline, andate a comprare questa. Questa qua è molto efficace, amici. Questa hanno fatto con carbone, vuol dire che diventa più chiara i tuoi denti. E questa ha detto dentifricio sicuro su smart i tuoi denti. This toothpaste is really safe for our teeth smart. You know, we have teeth smart, that is this surface here. So it is good for our teeth. So guys, go and get it. I love the scent. I love everything about this dentifricio, this toothpaste. So guys, thank you. Check it out. This is AZ from AZ. Yes, they have so many types, but this one, look at this here is dark. That means they use the carbone, that is charcoal, to make it. So when you go, check it out. You can go online and buy it. So guys, thank you for watching. And this is made in Germany. This is a German product. This is really made in Germany. Yes, I love German and Italian products. They are amazing. So guys, check it. So this is from P&G. So you can digital www.pg.com. That's .com. Nothing. So thank you guys for watching. I love you. You can see my teeth. Loves up. I hope you can see it very well. I just finished eating. Fried yam, guys. Forgive me. Ciao, ciao.